Okay, let's take a look at this program here. In this one, I can grab an image, let's say some text. Um, Here, for example, I got this. If I press this one and I press on the top left here and on the right here, button down, it will save it as an image, the screen, and then try to get it. Now let's do it again. I press up here and down here, get the picture, try to get the text, and then it will try to create an audio. As sometimes it doesn't get the audio. Okay, and it worked. As sometimes it doesn't work immediately, you have to try one more time. I put this little try accept here with this count that makes it do it more than once, and let's say 3 times. Now I got another utility I made here that is similar to this. It's called Pytextaudio audio. If I go here and I have to select the text and then press Ctrl C. For example, I'm gonna go here, press Ctrl C, then I go here and press this one. Now I should have the text here and hear it. Okay, if it doesn't work, press it again. Wait some second. Okay, and now it worked. So I could do the same that I've done for here with this if press, etc. No, with this one, this try. Okay, so you can try more times, and you have to put this counter, try count equals 0, and then put it as a global try count. Okay. Okay, press Ctrl C. Okay, and so it worked also here. Now maybe I want to join together these two, and let me use this change name in audio text, text audio. Let me call it this way, and I want to put here this this one into this, and so I wanna get this def clip with this. Let me put this put it here in. Let me change the name of this in try count 2. Okay, and so I'm gonna put this button here. I'm gonna call it button clip, butt clip, to distinguish from the other one. So now I have these two buttons. Okay, now I can get from an image or for a clipboard and in the same, and maybe okay. So if I grab image, let's see if it works now. Let's get this image here. Okay, and now I want to try again, but with the clipboard. And so let me get this, Control C, and press this one. Okay, I need to import this one for this. So I think I got still in the clipboard, so I don't need to select and copy. Okay, so it worked, and now I have my little app with two functions here. And now grab Pytextaudio. I want to call it maybe grotesque 2. Text to audio app. Okay, so we added some features to this, and and in next videos we will be doing something more. Thank you and see you next time.